What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in this video we're going to look at Bitcoin. Is the trend over? Are we going to dump now, or is that just a fake out to the downside and the trend will continue further up and we're going to go to 80,000, 100,000, whatever thousand you want? On this channel we're using trend following strategies based on mathematics to analyze the chart. In this video, Bitcoin. We are not sharing opinions or stupid chart patterns because they don't work, and also they cannot be back tested properly to prove that they have been working in the past. Everyone can fake this stuff. That's not what we're doing here, okay? Now, I want to start off with something that is very confusing for most of you people, also for myself. Now look at this guy, right? You know Crypto Rover. Listen, nothing against Crypto Rover, okay? But against being bullish and bearish on the same freaking day, okay? How could this be helpful for anybody, okay? Because basically what he's saying is at 10 a.m. my time, he's saying Bitcoin is about to explode. Prepare now, up arrow, moon, basically, okay? And then just a couple of hours later, okay, at 1:36 p.m. my time, Bitcoin is breaking below the daily EMA ribbon. Should we be worried? What the hell? How is this helpful to anybody, okay? I mean, the only guy that benefits from such misinformation is the guy that wants you to listen and read every single tweet, okay? Because you might miss out on some super cool, important, life-changing information, okay? And so you have to read every single tweet. But please, don't think for yourself, because if you think for yourself, then you don't read his tweets anymore, right? You don't watch his videos. And then what? Like, then he's useless, because he is useless, okay? Like, sorry, not just him, everyone, even me, okay? Fully useless. The only thing you need to understand from this video, from any video I make, is that you need a strategy, and then you need to turn off YouTube, Twitter, everything, and just follow your freaking strategy, okay? I swear, like, once you have tested your strategy and you trust it because you have seen its behavior, freaking that's it, okay? Forget everything else, because it's just a distraction. And I will give you such a strategy for free at the end of this video, which is better than what most people are doing, so you can go and check it out. Yes, it's free, it's not the best on the planet, but it's better than reading any tweet on the internet, guaranteed. Okay, cool. So that's message number one for today. Let's go on with chart analysis. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin trend. What is happening right now? Is the trend over, or is it just a fake out to the downside and then we're gonna quickly recover and make new all-time highs? What are the actual facts in the chart? Now I want to share with you two of those facts right now very quickly. I don't want to waste your time like other people do. So here are the facts. First of all, we have a breakdown of this orange trend line. Now this orange trend line is quite important because check it out, it has supported the price for a very long time. The trend line started sometime in October, mid of October, and it has supported the price one time here, second time, third time, but now it has broken down. And what does it mean that it has broken down? Is that good or bad? Well, let's zoom in and see what the probabilities are. And so the probabilities now have changed to the downside. Why? Because now this orange line is a resistance line, okay? So now, even if we have a recovery, it has to break above the line, create some kind of a retest, and then break to the upside. So that's a lot of stuff to do in order to actually become bullish again, right? So even if today the price is, actually this is a bullish candle, but we'll see. Even if it goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, I don't really care. As long as it doesn't break this orange trend line, it's more on the bearish side than on the bullish side, okay? So the probabilities are based on this orange line breakdown, which was a trend line that has supported the price for a long, long time, are bearish. Now, the other thing that I want to share with you is that my personal strategy, the fat green line, I call it fat green line, or it's bought too fast, that is the name. It has also sold already to protect the downside. So that means that basically we have two indicators. One is the strategy, which has, by the way, these performance numbers. So it made a lot of money here, 2,700%, 15% drawdown only since 2018, 66% profitable trades, 5.5 profit factor. And the strategy, like I said, is active since 2018. Why am I sharing this with you? So that you know why I trust the signals from this strategy, okay? So the strategy has made quite good trades in this cycle as well, we had a buy signal here and a sell signal here, a buy signal here, re-entry actually, and a sell signal here. And I'm very happy with that. Basically here we made 40% profit. Let me try that again. 40% profit, 41. And then here we made 43% profit. And after that, and I can already tell you that I remember this time when I sold here, everyone told me that I'm crazy. This was gonna go to the moon already. And what happened afterwards? Well, people were buying here, selling here, buying here, selling here, right? Buying here, selling here. Of course, because they get scared, right? They think it goes up, but then it doesn't go up. So they have to get out of their position. So trading this range was basically useless, okay? In any case, the last trade here from my own strategy was also a losing trade. And I don't even want to hide this from anybody. Here we made 7%, 7.2% loss. And that's okay for me because, you know, it cannot win every trade. This was quite a bullish one. Actually, I looked at a lot of indicators and they all indicated that is a buy zone, but it didn't play out. And that's fine. No problem at all. The only important part is to protect the downside and to actually sell because God knows where this is gonna go, okay? This can go way down and everyone will be super shocked. And actually we might even have to do that because we're still very greedy, okay? We need to make sure people are losing their mind. And the way to do that is to drop further. Then this will go to neutral or fear. And then we can again recover and go to the upside. But who knows, we'll see. So for me, it's more important to sell and protect the downside. And this is also how the strategy can achieve, any strategy, by the way, can achieve a good drawdown number, which is 15% in the last 6.5 years. This is very good when you think about that Bitcoin lost over 70%, sometimes even 80% of its value. So the strategy was able to protect from that. And that's why it sells, because without selling, you can't protect the downside. So you have two signals that tell you that it's a bit bearish right now, okay? You have the breakdown of the orange line. One of my strategies has sold already, but here comes, actually, I have another strategy, I have three strategies, and the other one sold much earlier already here. As you can see, that's the sell signal, okay? So 2 of 3 of my strategies are out of the market, of the Bitcoin market. So that is already pretty bearish as well, okay? So you have 3 signals now telling you that it's more bearish than bullish. And we are greedy. 4 different numbers or indicators that tell you that it's not looking awesome right now. Now, it doesn't mean that we're gonna go down to whatever stupid low number. I'm just saying that if you're in the market right now, don't expect the Bitcoin price to make a new all-time high anytime soon. But if this turns out to play out bearish, because the odds are in the bearish favor, then we could drop down 15% from the breakout of the line, which is pretty much very close to the 200 moving average, which is this black line. Now, usually it doesn't exactly go there because that's what everyone expects once it goes there. So most likely we're going to stay above this local bottom and we're going to maybe touch this, not even touch it maybe, and then recover, right? It's not going to exactly touch the line because again, a lot of people have buy orders on the 200 moving average or a bit below. So most people will miss out buying the bottom as always, and then it might recover. So those 15%, which is also why I mentioned them in the thumbnail of this video, are very likely. And as always, I trade only based on the signals of my strategies. And as promised, this is the strategy that you can use fully for free on Bitcoin to automate your trading and to make money. And you don't need to listen to anybody on Twitter, YouTube, or anywhere else, especially not the economists. They have no idea what they're talking about. Anyway, this is the strategy. I have applied it since 2018 on the chart, like I always do with my strategies, because that's when I started algo trading. And you can see it made 2,137% profit on Bitcoin. It wins 32% of the trades it makes, and it has a drawdown of 30%. It is an okay strategy, especially because it's free, all right? Now, the only way to get access to this is to come to my Telegram group and to request access. Send me your username. This is your username. Mine is Michael Unita here. I need yours. And then I will add you to the list that can use this strategy. The reason I cannot just put this online is because TradingView doesn't like this strategy for some reason. They always shut it down. It's pretty annoying. So I have to make it private. If you want this strategy, join my Telegram. The link is down below. And I will give each and every one of you access if you request it in Telegram. Of course, my strategies are better because, I mean, I spent years to figure this shit out, right? Get yourself the Gaussian channel strategy. You can use it on Bitcoin. You can use it on any coin, but on Bitcoin, it works quite well, on Solana as well. But any other coin, it will have very high drawdown simply because it doesn't take care of the downside as well as my own strategies. Having said all of that, if you do want to get access to my own strategies and all of my knowledge, then make sure to go on this website called autotrading.vip. The link is down below, and apply for access. Definitely watch the video here on the top. Watch the video first, okay? Because it will tell you that not everyone can get access because it's a bit special VIP group. But if you want to get access, then please watch the video. Click on apply for access. You're going to talk to me, okay? And if we understand each other and you have the right mindset, then yes, you can get access to my own strategies. With all of that in mind, if I was able to inspire you today, then make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell. I'm going to make videos almost every day, depending on how my life unfolds, because I also have a life, all right? And if you want to learn how to automate the strategy I was just showing you before, then watch this video over here. It's one of the most watched videos on my channel about how to automate any kind of TradingView strategy, also that one, to actually trade on your exchange. And I'll see you over there. Let's hope for better charts.